Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving ownership and getting the watch online. First, sign into the Apple ID that was last used on the device. Make sure you can receive the account recovery codes or email. Next, find the watch serial or IMEI, write it down for support requests and proof of purchase. Once done, charge the watch above 50% and connect it to Wi-Fi or the paired iPhone so it can reach Apple services. These steps let you unlock options instead of guessing. Now you act on the lock itself. If you can sign into Icloud, open Find My, locate the watch and remove it from the linked devices. This clears activation lock instantly. If you cannot access the Apple ID, initiate Apple account recovery, follow prompts and provide verification details, and expect a multi-day waiting period. If time is critical, call Apple support, provide the watch serial and a proof of purchase. They can expedite removal in many cases. Keep all finish by restoring and verifying full functionality. Once activation lock is confirmed cleared, erase or unpair the watch and pair it to your iPhone. Restore from a backup if available, or set it up as new. Make sure Apple Pay, health data, notifications, and iCloud sync work. Test a call and a simple app. If the lock still appears, retry the account recovery steps, escalate your case with Apple support, and be prepared to present the original purchase receipt to resolve disputes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.